The stacks on NoteDex, as you notice, they are a lot more colorful than they used to be. Now, I'm going to show you how to add text when you generate a cover image. Okay, so generate cover image. Let's just go personal space for fun. Okay, and we'll see what we get. This will show you, and you can get photographic, artistic, minimalistic, and futuristic. I recommend trying them all, and I'm going to give you, you notice there's no graphics on there. Now, when you're on your phone, this little personal thing is kind of small, whereas if you look over here, testing is nice and big, and we're going to try to make this one bigger than it was. Going to do the same thing, except I have a pre-made prompt that I use. And we're going to copy that and bring it over. And I just might put it somewhere, who knows. But to just insert title, personal. Top center over image. And then image description, planning book on table, morning, visible, countryside, fun. Okay. And this is the trick right here. Personal and top center over image. So it's image over image. Not quite as big as I'd want. AI cover art. All right, we'll try this one more time. Let's try something else. Large letter. Title. I'm kind of new at doing this. Not new to NoteDex, but new to generating cover art using NoteDex. And it's really very fun. Countryside. Distance. And let's go image. Large letter. Title. Top center over personal. Okay, let's give it a try. Artistic. Give it another try. And I could have copied the whole thing, which I'm going to give it a try right now. While it's copying. There we go. Personal. Nice and big. Second try was perfect. So that is how to do AI stack cover images. I hope this helps. I love NoteDex. My friend Prem Sunderam is the founder of NoteDex. Check it out. It's at NoteDex.app. Once again, NoteDex.app. Love you all. Bye-bye.